So now, this is what we're finding here, that Krishna's head, he enjoys the pollen emanating from the lotus feet of Sri Radha and the Mandris, Nrittadasis. So what does this mean? That means that it says, Sri Radhe Tava Nrittadasi Charanayos, the paragon, that Radharani's from her feet, that pollen comes from her feet. And the pollen comes from the Mandri's feet and mixes together and lands on Krishna's head. And he relishes that. So what does that mean? That means that as the gopis have different colors, the Mandris have complexions, there are different colors of gold, like a different golden paragon. Bee pollen is different shades of gold, as I said, reddish gold, brownish gold, yellowish gold, whitish gold. They're all basically bee pollen. Flower pollen is all yellow. Like Mandris are basically all different shades of yellow. Lightning yellow, champak flower yellow, sandalwood yellow, different colors. It's called raktagor, reddish yellow, like this. Or like lightning, vidyut, swarna, white, lightning like gold. So the gopis are different colors, and there's different flavors of love in their hearts. There's so many different kinds of flavors of love. There's different kinds of nayaka bhav. It's called nayaka bhav. So that those flavors and those colors of the gopis and Mandris' love, that is all contained in the dust of their feet. So the dust of their feet of the gopis is compared to flower pollen. And when that dust from their feet arrives on Krishna's head, he enjoys it. That's what it's saying here in this particular translation.